Stop is the Monument Creek Vista. It's a new stop added onto the Hermit Road when they repaved it.
Pax, wait! Come back and dance for Mom.
Plank! There you go. Ah, good job, good job, good job. Push up. Good job.
Get him doing this. Get him doing.
Shoot it.
Oh. That's your baby sister.
Your baby sister.
Yeah.
I can't. I'm gonna send up, Lisa. What?
What do you see, Malachi? What do you see there?
Boop.
Ah, ver gordito. Es un tabaco.
Yeah, baby.
He loves them. He loves them so much. Jeez.
Oh. Baby, you're so beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, yeah. I love you.
Pillow fight.
No good. No good.
Oh.
We're ready to go shopping. Are you happy about that? You don't know? How about you, Arch?
Micah, Margaret.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Three. 1, 2, 3. Old MacDonald had a farm.
Thanks for the cookies, Aunt Mary.
Slurping water.
Love you.
You got a finger? Got one more finger?
Miss you. Sha la 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 la. I miss you.
I love it. Okay.
Poor piggy.
Wait, what? I didn't hear you.
Say it louder.
Good. Everyone at the table did. Don't worry.